My head hurts. Liam, close the curtain, please. Wait, why is this bed so hard? And this smell, it is like old perfume. What? Who is this girl? Is this me? Oh, this dress is incredibly heavy. And seriously, whose body am I in right now? Miss, please help me. Who are you? How can a rabbit talk? Okay, I am definitely dreaming. Miss, I have been cursed. Wait, are you the owner of this body? Yes, I am. My name is Aria. I am a maid here. Hi, Aria. I am Emma. Nice to meet you, I guess. What are we going to do? I'm definitely not from here. I think I traveled through dimensions. Huh? You turned into a rabbit. That is way more shocking than my story. It is true. I do not know if I can ever change back. I am so scared. Hey, do not cry. I will help you, okay? You are a maid, right? What do I have to do today? My work for today is already finished. I am so sorry for causing you trouble. Crying again? Stop crying. Tell me, who cursed you? Why did they do this? I think it was Lady Victoria. She threatened me before. She told me to leave. She said she could tell that I secretly like Lord Ethan. Oh, so you have a crush? No. I never thought of stealing him. I am just a maid. I have no right to like Lord Ethan. Okay, I get it. The dangerous one is Lady Victoria, and the one you like is Lord Ethan. Do they love each other? They are engaged because it is appropriate for their status. I do not know if they actually love each other. If they truly loved each other, you would not be cursed like this. I understand the situation now. Do not worry. We will both survive this.
Aria, where were you? You are so lazy.
I was working. Do you have a problem with that?
How dare you talk back to me? Watch your place, servant.
Stay here, Aria. That villainess is malicious. She loves to bully you. The prince's room is the safest place for you. No, absolutely not. Listen to me. If you stay with me, you will be in danger. Trust me, okay? Wait, Emma, don't leave me here.
Where did you come from, little one? Your eyes, they look exactly like a maid named Aria. She is very hesitant and shy, but so adorable. Lately, it feels like she is avoiding me. I rarely see her anymore. I caught a glimpse of her from a distance. She looked so confident. It surprised me. She has changed so much. I don't see that same look in her eyes anymore, the way she used to look at me.
Ethan, you must fire this maid immediately.
That's enough, Victoria. Your heart is too cruel. I am calling off our engagement.
I won't accept this. We have been promised to each other since we were children.
I have already spoken to your father. We never loved each other. This arrangement should never have happened in the first place.
Did you never, not even for a moment, love me?
I have always seen you as a friend, Victoria. I have always told you that.
I just hoped that one day your feelings would change.
My heart already belongs to someone else. I truly hope you find someone who can love you for who you are.
No!
It is finally over, little one. I am free now. I don't want a marriage without love anymore. Maybe I am going crazy, but I feel a deep connection with you. You remind me so much of the Aria I have always loved.
Are you?
If you were human, I would ask you to marry me instead. I will just marry you instead.
Wait, why is the floor so high? Hang on, why are my ears so long? Oh no, I am the rabbit now.
Emma, where are you? Oh no, Emma, it is all my fault. You are stuck in this body because of me. I am so sorry.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
You are trying to tell me there is hope? If I could come back, you can go home too?
Squeak, squeak.
Okay, I promise. I will fight for you. I will do everything to help you get home, and I will take the best care of you.
Aria, please put down the mop. You do not have to do this anymore.
My lord, but this is my job.
Your only job from now on is to be by my side as my wife. Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes. I will marry you.
Emma, wake up, sweetie. You should not sleep here for too long, or you might get a headache.
Liam, you did not cancel the engagement, right? And I am not a maid anymore, right?
What were you dreaming about? You must be really tired. Let us go have something delicious to eat, okay?
Phew. So it was just a dream. But it was a wonderful dream, especially because you are here with me.